This is the NSU, the car that
exists.
exists. Oh, look at this thing.
It exists, despite everybody's thoughts.
Air-cooled German car.
Very cool or air-cooled?
I don't know about very cool. Air-cooled. I forgot about the Mexican blanket.
Yes. The real Mexican blanket.
Yeah.
I'm gonna roll down the hill.
Well, hold on. You're gonna roll down the hill?
I'm gonna roll down the hill.
All right, let me remove the chalk block.
Well, hold on, let me get it first.
Okay. Roll it down the hill.
Are the batteries disconnected or dead?
I don't know, you got a negative disconnect.
Oh, that's right.
That horsehair seats. I'm close anyway, so yeah. Oh, that was easy.
It's downhill. Going back up, it's gonna be tough.
Well, hopefully it runs and it goes back up. You gonna open it?
Huh.
Oh. Oh boy.
Speaking of spiders,
Mm-hmm.
the air cleaner obviously doesn't belong here. It belongs over here. On top of the single barrel carburetor.
Spilled all the oil out of the oil filter.
No, I did not. It's all still in there. It's an oil bath air filter, which still has oil in it. Change the filter, you just drain it and fill it.
It's actually a really clean car.
Yeah, that's pretty clean. It's got a little
I think it lived its whole life in New England, right?
on the ocean in Beverly, oceanfront town.
Weird.
Yeah.
Weird car.
Yep. It's our vehicle all around, but it's unfortunately been sitting for a very long time. Needs a little TLC.
All your dryer sheets. Keep out the mice.
Yeah, keep the mice and other random pests out of there.
I remember we did an ignition switch in this thing a long time ago.
Yep, because it didn't have one when we got it.
Yeah.
That's a generic
The-
aftermarket switch.
Seats are actually in really nice shape. Front
Except for the
seats.
top of the back seat. So we had the blanket there for.
Yeah.
That's the Nsu hat. That's the battery tray cover, the rear deck cover.
Yeah. It's weird that so it's automatic.
It's a clutchless automatic. Or clutchless manual. The manual, I don't know, automatic.
Yeah.
Automatic with a K.
No, it's pretty cool.
Push it in the middle.
This is sprung. Oh, those are neat.
Sentra 7s.
All kinds of stuff hiding in here.
Yep. The other two of these.
Breakmaster leak there.
It did a long time ago, yeah.
Bizarre little car. Bolly.
Yeah, these came off of a gray market import E21,
Yeah.
and the kid hated them because he has no taste. Just kidding,
Or
he was
better
watching.
taste.
Well, he has more modern taste. He probably wasn't even born when these wheels were made, so he put a set of lighter weight, like Koenigs, on it or something. And I got these. Bent, no big deal. Not for this car, obviously, for something else.
All right. So what are you doing?
Well, the car hasn't run in at least 8 years or so.
Yeah.
It won't start. It will start if we put fuel directly in the carburetor, but then it dies. So we're going to drain all of the old fuel out, see if the lines are clear, see if we can put some fresh fuel in it and make it run. And the goal is to have it running for next weekend for German Car Day in Brookline, Massachusetts, at the Museum of Transportation.
Okay.
So that's our ultimate goal for now. Our short-term goal is to get it running and get to that show.
All right. Why don't you get these wheels out here and
Yeah.
get the gas tank drained? Whoa. Whoa. Is that like
Export car.
factory?
Yeah.
USA. Look at that. That's wild.
They probably put it there for. There's
I'll
probably
see the video.
something specific on it was for the American market on the
Yeah.
tag.
That's Wild.
Yeah.
If you try to move it, what happens?
What's that? There's tension because there's lines below it.
Oh.
'Cause otherwise, it's just a tank. It's got to have something holding it in. You know what I mean? It's got to have something not holding in, something for the fuel to
See
go
'em?
through.
This way? You go in here and see him?
There you go. And here we have a carburetor.
Took the carb off and cleaned it, and now we're gonna try it. Because what's the worst that can happen? There's no improvement. Hit it. Alright.
I think gonna be leaking out the bottom.
What is
Carburetor.
fuel?
Yep. Hang on, try it again. Good. I still think it's going to be in the car. Yeah, it's still only running on ether.
You spraying ether in it?
No. That's what I'm saying. Put some fresh gas in it. Probably got shit gas in the tank.
We know that.
A little fresh gas and some seafoam or something. Let's get some gas for it.
But where are we going to put the fresh gas?
In the tank, you just mix it in there. It's no
But then
big
it's
deal.
still gonna go all the way from there to there.
Yeah, it'll get there. How much is in the tank?
Is this the plug sender back in?
Yeah.
I don't know, it's bouncing all over the place.
Hey, look, there's Dan here. Resident German car enthusiast.
Yeah, this is a little
weird. A little old.
A little old, little weird.
Kind of like Brad.
I thought the 2002 was antiquated.
Oh, these are.
Who's antiquated?
This does have a nice hook to pull the engine out now.
Shut your mouth.
What, the intake?
No, the corporate in the back.
No, I see it.
Yeah.
All right,
Ready? Who's doing it? Go for it.
try it.
Yo, fire up. Contact.
Ooh, almost. It already sounded better though. Yeah, but it's.
No, it sounded the same.
I think it sounded better.
You gotta bring the fuel. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oil. Be idle. And you should have a mixture somewhere. Your mixture right there. Yeah, idle. It's like super fun to get to.
Yeah. The idle needs to be set.
It could be too low.
Yeah. So if you let off it,
Take all the blinkers. Hands are broken.
so if you let off it, it stalls.
I'm off the throttle right now, so the choke is still open.
Okay. But when you close the choke, it dies.
Close the choke. This is full. Then you start to close it down.
Shut the hell up.
Yeah, done. Exactly.
Oil soaked.
It's an oil bath air cleaner.
Yeah.
Means there's
Like
no
a-
vapor element. It's
like-
just the air goes into oil before it goes into
Like a 40 Ford.
55.
All right.
also
So Chevy. Yeah.
55 Chevy. And oil bath.
You know, get that afterwards. Oh, there it goes.
It'll like pop through.
I mean, that's extra.
It's a functional air duct.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? So now I don't know where that through bolt went.
I think you want the hazards on all the time. No, you're fine. Oh, it moves. There he goes in that dumb thing.
Really doesn't stop very well.
Well, he locked up the tires a little bit.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, so I think with tires it'll stop.